Today we're diving into a topic that's all about working smarter, not harder, so you can enjoy life while still building an online business. I'm going to be giving you 7 tips you can start using straight away so you can work less and earn more. Tip number 1 is to focus on high impact work. This is the 80-20 rule in action. 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify what truly drives your business forward, whether it's creating content, building relationships, or selling your products. Prioritize these tasks. By honing in on these high impact activities, you can achieve more in less time and keep your business growing. To determine what your high impact work is, take some time to analyze your business processes and identify the activities that bring in the most revenue or have the most impact on your audience. Once you've identified these tasks, create a schedule which actually does prioritize them. This might involve restructuring your whole day or even your week to dedicate time to these key activities whilst minimizing less impactful tasks. The goal is really to maximize your efficiency and not just fill your day with busy work. Tip number 2 is to automate and delegate. As your business grows, you cannot do everything yourself. Leverage technology to automate tasks and delegate responsibilities to others when possible. Free up your time to focus on strategic decisions and innovation. AI really is a game changer. You need to think about areas of your business where automation can make a massive difference, such as email marketing, social media scheduling, or even customer support. There are so many tools available today that can handle these tasks for you. In addition to automation, delegating tasks can lighten your own workload. Consider hiring a virtual assistant or outsourcing tasks like bookkeeping, graphic design, or video editing, things which you're not necessarily that great at. By building a strong team around you, you can use their skills and expertise to grow your business whilst freeing up your own time. I use freelance help from websites such as Upwork and Fiverr, which are amazing when you don't want to hire someone full-time but you need some work done. Tip number 3, set boundaries and manage your time effectively. Protect your personal time and establish clear work hours. Use tools like calendars, task managers to stay organized and stay focused. Setting boundaries helps you maintain a healthy work-life balance and it prevents burnouts. It's so easy to get caught up in the hustle, working the long hours, but in reality, overworking yourself can actually lead to decreased productivity as well as creativity. One practical way to set boundaries is to establish a daily routine. It includes setting certain work hours, taking regular breaks, and designating times for personal activities. Make sure you're using techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in intervals with short breaks in between. Learn to say no to tasks or projects that don't actually align with your priorities. Protecting your time and energy allows you to stay truly focused on what truly matters for your business. Tip number 4, create multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income is super risky. Diversify your revenue by exploring different avenues such as online courses, consulting, or affiliate marketing. This strategy not only boosts your earnings, but it provides stability and security for your business. So how exactly do you diversify your income? Example would be to start online courses based on your skills and experience, or start a membership site for premium content. Affiliate marketing is another great way to generate income. By promoting products or services you believe in, you can earn a commission for every sale made through the link. This is such an incredible way to get passive income once you have a loyal audience. Coaching can be a super lucrative income stream. Share your knowledge and help others achieve their goals in exchange for a fee. This can be a fulfilling way to give back to your community whilst you're earning money. Tip number 5 is commanding higher rates for your services. By increasing your fees, you can work smarter, not harder, whilst improving your quality of life and creating room for more impactful projects. As daunting as it was, when I increased my coaching rates from less than £1,000 to over £5,000 per client, I actually got clients that were more serious in building their businesses as it felt like a bigger investment. This meant they were more successful and in turn got me tons of testimonials, repeat business, and more income. It is so natural to feel apprehensive about raising your rates, especially when it means deviating from industry norms. However, it is essential for growth. Tip number 6, passive income streams. Passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing efforts. This could include investing in stocks. They pay out regular dividends, providing you with an easy income stream. Real estate, so rental properties or REITs, can generate income with less day-to-day involvement. Online courses or digital products, so create an online course, an ebook, or digital product that can be sold again and again and again without constant production. Finally, tip number 7 is to practice self-care. So a clear and focused mind leads to better decision making and creativity. Take time each day for relaxation, meditation or exercise. It is honestly a game changer. Having a 3-month-old, having an online business, starting YouTube is so much work. So it's so important that every day I make some time for myself where I can go to the gym, even if it's for half an hour. Taking care of myself helps me stay super productive and sharp and gives me a bit more purpose. One thing that's not spoken about enough is rest. Prioritize your sleep and eat well-balanced meals to fuel your body as well as your mind. When you take care of yourself, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges of being a business owner. So there you have it, 7 powerful tips to help you work less and earn more. Implement these strategies and watch your business transform. And if you found this content helpful and you want more financial education, hit that subscribe button and join our money building channel.